Okay, guys. Now in this one, I think they're actually combining sort of the two problems from the last example, right? We had this one on the left and the one on the right we had it raised up to the fourth. Now they're giving us two separate fractions that we've got to multiply together, right? But I need to simplify this one on the right first. Okay? Let's get that thing straight. It says simplify the expression x over y to the negative 1 times x squared over y all to the negative 3. Use only positive exponents. Okay. Well, the very first thing I'm going to have to do, I'm going to rewrite this so that I can alter it some. Okay? The very first thing I need to do is to get rid of all these negative exponents. Well, the first equation, I'm sorry, not the first equation, but the first fraction, that's going to be, you know what, I'm going to go down instead of to the right. I'm going to rewrite this now as x, y over 1, right? I just took this one and I moved it up top because it had a negative 1 in the exponent. Now, the one on the right, I'm going to need to do that, but not yet. The first thing I've got to do is I've got to distribute this outside exponent. So this is y to the 1. So when I multiply that in, I'm going to get x to the negative 6, right? Because I multiply exponents that are separated by parentheses. Same thing down here, right? Negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. Okay? Now I'm getting closer, but I need to now do to this right one, I need to do to this one what I did to the left one earlier in the first step. So I'm just going to bring down the one on the left, xy over 1 times, and I need to notice, wait a minute, that's in the wrong place. It needs to go on top. That becomes y cubed. And this thing's in the wrong place. It needs to go on the bottom, x to the 6th. Okay, now I'm getting closer, right? I have no negative exponents anymore. I got rid of all that. Now remember, anytime I have a fraction times a fraction, I can put all the stuff on the top together. X times y cubed all over x to the 6th, right? And now I'm going to simplify a little bit more. I'm going to get x y to the 4th all over x to the 6th. Wait a minute, Mr. C. I got x's on top and on bottom. That's true. So we need to cancel. But which one has more, top or bottom? Well, the bottom has more. How many more? It has 5 more because there's only 1 on the top and there's 6 on the bottom. Okay, well when that cancels, I'm going to get y to the 4th over x to the 5th. All right? And that's it. I can't simplify anymore. There's nothing else I can cancel out. Okay? So, you guys did a great job. I think that you're ready for your homework now. All right? And just work through that stuff. It's good stuff. All right, guys. Good job. And you need to do your homework.